So now I traded in my battery and got a new one. I like the Optima Reds. I had one on my C5, and it was always a good battery. And they have a good warranty too, 3 years, fully replaceable. Now this is 12.49 now. And it doesn't look like it's 2 years old like the other one did. So now I'm going to put this one in the car. Just like so. Fits like a glove. I got my 13mm and a little wedge. It's gonna go down into the bottom down here. As soon as I can get my phone set up to where it can actually hit it. I always like putting a little anti-seize on the 13mm hold down because it helps. Definitely helps. Those things are known to rust up on you because all the water splashes up from the undershields every time. And battery's not moving. So that's good. Now I'm going to first hook up the positive, so you don't ground anything out. Like so. Get my 10mm out. Now hook up the negative, like so. Oh yeah, all the sparks. Making sure I have it down all the way as much as I can. Looks like it is. Put that back up. Once it's hooked up, let's see what is on there. Let's see what this looks like with it hooked up. So, with it hooked up, with the battery hooked up to the car, it's 12.35. And there you have it. Out with the old and with the new. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Like, subscribe. Have fun.